Hey everyone, it's Catherine and I'm here with my boyfriend Frank and we are gonna do vegan nachos. We've tried this only one time and today we're gonna try it again in front of you guys with a couple of new ingredients.
Yeah, I was only heavily involved in the eating portion of round one, so I'm looking to actually learn how to do this.
Okay, so what this entails is we're gonna...
Okay. Oh, it's just really...
Okay, so what this entails is chips and cashew queso instead of regular cheese queso, and chorizo seitan that we found, refried beans, some tomatoes, and so the most complicated part is the queso part, right? So we're gonna try that one first. So here we go. Right.
How?
I'll tell you what to do.
Are you just eat a bunch of these things to make cheese?
Oh my god.
How many cups?
2 whole cups. So.
Can you guys see okay?
What if they say no? What are we gonna do?
We'll do comment below or something. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Cup number 2.
Okay, maybe add another one.
Cup number 3.
Whoa! Okay. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that we soaked the cashews before. So if you don't do that, you could just put some hot water in it while you're making this, and it does like the same thing. As I get the water, you can go ahead and put the garlic in there.
How does this work? These guys are like pretty hard.
I know. I think they're just gonna get chopped up.
All right. There you go.
People say to chop them beforehand, but what's the point of using a food processor if you have to use a knife and cutting board again? Okay, and
what about the rest of these guys?
We'll put them away. And then sprinkled chili powder and cumin. We need water.
You say human? How many sprinkles do we need?
How much did you do?
I did a fair share of sprinkles. Not good?
So this is what cooking is like all the time here, where Frank is just trying to like mess around. All right, here's some salt.
How much salt?
Sprinkles.
All right, I'm gonna try my best with the sprinkles allocation.
I know most of you guys, when you cook, you measure everything, but I don't really know how to do that, so I just eyeball everything. I apologize for that. On the Let Me Try That website, there is a recipe for this, so there's actual measurement if you care about that. Okay, and then maybe pour a little bit of water for right now. I don't know how much water I want to put right now.
I'm gonna put half.
And then the ingredient that I learned about that's really cool to put in it is harissa sauce. It tastes and smells like sriracha with garlic.
Ooh.
What does that taste like?
Nice little spice.
So like a tablespoon of that. And we have some nice margaritas that we got from Tico, which is our local Mexican restaurant downstairs.
Hello?
Hi. Okay, that's good. Ah! That's a lot of water.
It's all right. It's good.
What do we have? Like queso soup. Whoopsies. All right. Maybe it needed hot water, but remember, this is called Try Something Tuesday, so we're just trying stuff, right?
High power.
Oh, we were supposed to put
Sprinkle.
this in. Oops. This is why we forgot. We were supposed to put nutritional yeast, which is pretty awesome. It's like powdery. I talked about this in my video about 5 vegan ingredients to try. It's got like a cheesy flavor to it, but it has no cheese. So we're putting like a couple tablespoons of that in there. It's to make it cheesier. Maybe that's why it doesn't look cheesy yet.
How many bananas do we need?
16.
All right, I'm gonna put it in here. All right, I'll stop.
What I'm gonna do now is put it in the microwave to kind of heat it up and like melt it a little bit, just because I feel like it looks like cold cheese right now. As I do that, the next thing we're gonna do is make the chorizo. We're gonna move the camera over closer so you can see that. Cool. Okay, look, cheese is done.
Hey guys.
The next thing that we're gonna make for the nachos is this guy, chorizo seitan. I don't really know how to say it. Do you know?
Can you explain to the folks at home what seitan is?
Seitan is water, wheat, gluten. We've never had this type at all, so you'll probably see us like freak out because it's pretty cool looking. Okay, here we go. Olive oil, and then you just ground it up.
Can you explain to the folks at home what olive oil is?
We've made the seitan and we're ready to make the whole thing. These are currently one of our favorite chips, probably because it has a really cool pun, but it's called Garden of Eden. Get it?
I probably need some more chips. Okay. Come on, little guys. Yeah. Okay.
And then we got these, why don't you make it and then I can tell everybody what we're doing. Does that work for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yours is just gonna look much prettier than this. But anyways, we got these refried black beans from Trader Joe's and they have jalapeno peppers, but we've tried the other black refried beans and these are so good. So anyways, what are you doing?
This is good, right? Then we put the cheese on top. Beautiful. I know, I'm getting there.
Okay.
And can you pass the seitan, please?
Yeah. Okay, so look what the seitan ended up looking like. Isn't it cool? It kind of looks like ground beef.
So this is all cashews and garlic and wheat.
Nutritional yeast.
Additional yeast. Same thing. And this is not meat. This is seitan.
Oh, Pingo. Sorry, I think I dropped. This is why we quarantine ourselves. So we can keep our germs to ourselves.
Okay. Nice. All right. I'm going to need now tomato stuff.
Okay, Rotel.
Rotel. Oh, shit. All right. Now, need some jalapenos. I'm going to use my fingers because I washed
Can
them.
you see it so far?
Ugh. Now, something that's really important for great nachos is salsa. Luckily, I come from the mecca of salsa, along with the mecca of romance and basketball, San Antonio, Texas. And paste picante sauce is the go-to for salsas in that town and probably America. So, we're going to put that on top.
If you're from other states and you have the salsa, you can get
They
that.
don't. Okay. Oh, cool. All right.
To it.
You
You want more cheese on it? Probably want more cheese.
Yeah, a little bit of that,
Okay, I want to make mine now.
and then I'm good.
No. I'm gonna do it the more hygienic way, which is use a fork.
Overrated.
People are gonna get grossed out. Are you guys gonna get grossed out by us? Okay. All right, let's show our final product. That's mine.
Oh
That's
my. All right, guys, here we go. No meat, no cheese, a lot of San Antonio. These are really good nachos.
Yay! Okay, so that was our way of trying to cook in front of y'all, which is like a whole nother adventure. But have a wonderful Cinco de Mayo week, and we will see you guys next week. Bye!
Bye, guys.
Hey guys, if you liked what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and show some love by liking this video. Thanks so much.